What's up guys? So I just got done getting ready. I did my makeup for probably the second time since I've been in quarantine, maybe the third. And I also put these little braids in the front of my hair. I've been seeing it a lot on Pinterest, so I just decided to try it out myself. I don't know exactly how I feel about it, but I did it a few days ago and it's nice because it gets all of my like baby hairs out of the way so that it doesn't like stick out. I didn't actually have any hair ties, so I just used some rubber bands. So that's what's happening right now, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm going to be wearing for my jewelry to like spice up my outfit. And today's video is actually sponsored by Luisa, so thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. So they sent me a few of their jewelry pieces in the mail and I wanted to show you guys them. And if you guys have never heard of this brand, I am like quickly becoming obsessed with them. They have such great dainty pieces that are really high quality. So to spice up this outfit, I am actually going to be wearing some of the jewelry from Luisa. I just wanted to show you guys some of the pieces that they sent me because I am so obsessed with them. They're very dainty but very high quality and the prices start at $35, so really it's not like that expensive compared to some of the other brands out there. So you know you're getting like high quality, but they're affordable. And in 2020, their goal is to achieve a net zero carbon footprint, which is amazing. So I really like that about the company. So this first piece that I got is this really cute little gold hoop with some pearls hanging down. I love this piece so much. I've been wearing it actually without the pearl. You can actually take it off. Very versatile. You can have it with the pearl or you can take it off and have a more simple gold hoop. And also they come in these really cute little velvet packaging. This next one is also a favorite of mine. It's just a simple gold hoop, but I love how light it is, but it's still high quality, so it's not like pulling at your earlobe. It's really, really nice and so comfortable to wear. I actually wore these in my tie-dyeing video and a lot of you guys said you like them, so these are them. I love these so much. They're so cute. Next, I just got a few necklaces. This one is super cute. It's just a nice little pendant with some wings on it. And it's just really nice and simple. I love like dainty necklaces like this. It really like spices up an outfit. And then lastly, I got this necklace set that comes with 3 of them and it's just great for layering. So this is technically one necklace, but it comes all separate. So you can always just wear one at a time or 2 or all 3 of them. Has a pearl, a little pendant, and then a larger pendant. And I love this so much. I think this is so nice. It can like really dress up an outfit. Like even with this, I might wear these. So I'm gonna leave a link down below to their website if you guys want to check out their jewelry. They're also doing a promotion for Mother's Day. If you buy one piece, you get the second for 35% off. Just use the code MOM35 and you guys can get that discount. So if you guys are looking for a gift for your mom or for yourself or both, you guys can get one for your mom and one for yourself. I definitely recommend their company because they have such great high quality pieces for an affordable price. So, you know, it's just a win-win. So I'm gonna throw on some of this jewelry and then today's goal is to clean my entire room and my bathroom and then possibly do some organizing in my bathroom as well as my makeup because you know this is just not acceptable. I'm sorry you guys had to look at this background this whole time, but you know we're gonna get to work and clean up this bedroom because it's driving me crazy. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this is what my outfit looks like with the jewelry on. I definitely think it adds something to this outfit. So I'm just wearing 3 of the stacked necklaces and then I'm wearing both of the hoops. I did take out the little pearl on the little one, so I think that looks so cute and it's not like too much. It definitely looks really nice and very happy with this outfit. And then I'm just wearing some mom jeans and some socks. So now I'm gonna clean this room and we're gonna get to it. We gotta do it. And yeah, so soon enough, I'm gonna be doing a bedroom makeover. And Madeline actually gave me the idea of painting one of the walls. I didn't really like think about that because I am renting, but I just thought, you know, I can always paint it back white when I leave eventually. So I'm really excited about that. So stay tuned in the future on my main channel. I don't know when it will be up. It'll probably take a while, but very excited about that. But yeah, let's clean up this dang room because honestly, like it's gotten out of hand. Like I don't know what to tell you, you know, like just unacceptable. Also, okay, I'm gonna show you guys my bathroom just because we're like close, you know, like I can show you guys this, but it's really bad and like I don't know how I'm living like this. That's a blanket. Like I'm not sure how the blanket ended up on the floor of my bathroom, but you know, I was probably cold and then I had to go to the bathroom and then it just, you know, not proud of this, but yeah. Okay, so it's still raining outside, and also some new little worm friends came to visit, which I did not invite them, but they are back, and I don't know where they're coming from. But I did finish up, well, it's not perfect, but it's definitely a lot better than it was. I just, you know, there's always like extra little things that don't have a place that I need to find a place for. And okay, so this guy right here, you guys have probably seen it in the background of my videos, and I do not like this at all. It's so cluttered, and I just, yeah, I want to find something else to go here. So let me know what you guys think. I either want to do another like shelving unit, but definitely cuter. I don't like this black, so maybe, I don't know, I just don't really like the look of it, like this like mesh material, but maybe if I painted it like a light pink, that might be actually kind of cool. Okay, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about this little corner. I also maybe want to do like a mirror here. So yeah, just gotta figure out that. And I would go to like, obviously like thrift stores and stuff, but you know, can't do that right now. So I'm gonna maybe order something online, or maybe I could order some spray paint or something for that. And then, okay, over here is everything that I'm gonna be using for my room makeover. So it's just kind of stuck right here for now. And I wanted to show you guys what I picked up. So I have 5 of these little tubes, and okay, so let me just explain this here a little bit. Okay, so originally I wanted to get wallpaper for this wall right here, because it's the smallest, and I just figured it would be like the cheapest to just do that wall. So here's the wallpaper, and it's so cute, but like, I don't know, after I bought them, so it's from Urban Outfitters, after I bought it, I was like kind of second guessing it, because it's not like I'm gonna be living here forever, so just the investment of it doesn't really seem right. But like, look at how cute this is. Like, this is so cute. Can you imagine it like up there with like a gold mirror, like a circle gold mirror? Like, it would be so cute. And so I got 5 of them because I thought they were bigger, so I ordered 3 at first because I thought that was gonna be enough, but then I ended up ordering 2 more because it wasn't. So it ended up being, I think they were like $40 each, but it's only this big. Like, that is not a lot for $40. But Madeline gave me the idea of painting the wall. I was thinking I could either just paint it one flat color, like one of the colors in here, like maybe like this, I don't know, maybe this yellowy color. Or I could like take on a really big project that I will probably end up regretting and like try to mimic this print, like just by painting on the wall. So let me know if you guys want to see me attempt to do that. I'll probably end up kicking myself for doing that, but it might turn out really cool. And what else do I have to do? You know, I'm stuck in the house. So I originally wanted to do a deep clean of my makeup because there's makeup in there that I know is expired. So I want to do a deep clean of that as well as stuff in my bathroom. But I think I'm gonna leave that for a different video because I'm just not feeling it. Not feeling it today, so I don't want to push myself, and I already cleaned everything, so it'll be a nice like beginning start of the deep cleaning. So I'm gonna head in the kitchen now and start making dinner. I was trying to decide what I wanted to make today because we went grocery shopping like a week ago, but we're honestly like running out of groceries pretty quickly. I mean, we still have like frozen stuff and like we have enough, but we're running out of stuff that I like eating and that like what I feel like eating. Because you know, when you first go grocery shopping, you're just like, the world is at your fingertips and you have everything you could ever want in life, and you're just like, oh, I can make this and this, and then, you know, slowly you're like, wait, I have to like put this with this. You have to like start making up recipes. Anyways, I thought of one that we have all the ingredients for except for heavy cream, but we don't need that. I'm gonna be attempting to make sweet potato gnocchi. I do not like saying that word, so I'm going to try not to say it too many times during this because it really just gives me a pit in my throat. I just don't like that word. But I found a recipe on Pinterest and we have all the ingredients, so I am going to attempt to make that. So let's head in the kitchen and see what we need to do for this recipe. If this recipe works out, I will leave a link to it down below. If I forget to leave it, let me know and I will put a link there because I usually forget to add those things. But yeah, I'm excited. It sounds really good. So let's go. Okay, so this is a recipe that I'm gonna be following, and let's see here. Okay, so I have all the ingredients except for heavy cream, and I don't have the seasoning, so we're just gonna hope for the best and see what we can do. Also, Madeline's over there making a little snack because she's hungry, which I am too, but I'm just gonna Power through.
Power through. Okay, so you need some sweet potatoes. You need 3 cups. So I don't know how much this is gonna make, but this is all I have. So hopefully that's 3 cups. We got some salt, pepper, and some flour, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of butter, garlic, and Parmesan. The first step is to put this into the microwave for 7 to 10 minutes. So it actually said to wrap these with a warm, not warm, doesn't have to be warm, a wet cloth. And it also says to stab it. So would love to participate in that. Wait, that doesn't sound very nice.
I'd love to participate.
Sounds thrilling. This one looks not right. Is this supposed to? I've had these for so long. It's so weird how long sweet potatoes last. You want to wrap it in the moist towelette. Boom. Okay, now I'm gonna put these in the microwave for probably 9 minutes. It says 7 to 10, but I'm gonna do 9 and see how that goes. It's wine time, baby. I think this is actually really old. I haven't. It tastes good. Do you guys like this cup? My friend got this for me. Sorry, my ring light is messing up everything. It says cat lady on it. So, cheers to that. This just doesn't taste right. This might be a little old. Just a little bit. So what you're supposed to do is cut these in half and then scoop out the middle part. Oh yeah, I can just kind of like peel the skin off a little bit. So I put this in the fridge a little bit to cool down faster, and now we're just gonna add 1 egg to this. And then we're just gonna stir this up. And then it says to add in the salt. And then it says to add in 1.5 cups of flour, and then to fold it in and not to stir too much, or else it'll make it mushy. So I'm gonna just do 1/2 cup at a time and fold that in. And then from there, we can roll it out. Then we're gonna take a knife and then cut them into little pieces. To make them look like gnocchi, you can take your fork and kind of roll it. Okay, so I'm letting these boil for 2 to 3 minutes, and they should rise to the top when they're done. And then I'm gonna place them on this paper napkin and let them dry. And then we're gonna saute them with some seasoning and butter. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. They're like starting to rise. Okay, so I'm gonna take these guys and place them right here to dry. Come on, buddy. There's another. Wow, why is this so entertaining? I'm gonna try this out. That's actually so good. It's definitely very tedious. I think it took me like an hour and a half almost. So I don't know if I'll ever do this again, but it was fun while it lasted. And it's very tasty. I would definitely suggest it. So I will leave the link to this recipe down below. I just threw a tomato.
Hey guys, so it's about 10:30 at night and I'm getting ready for bed. This will take about 20 minutes. Let me set my alarm right now actually. So that's gonna be it for the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually did quite a few things today. I feel like today was a pretty packed day, which is always good, even though what did I do? Also, don't forget to check out Luisa. I will leave the link down below and you guys can check out all their jewelry, and don't forget about the Mother's Day sale where you can buy one and get one 35% off. And if you guys are looking for a Mother's Day present, it would actually be really cute. I just thought of this. If you got one for yourself and then got a matching piece for your mom. Okay, that's cute. I might have to do that. So yes, I will leave the link down below, and I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Miss that smile, Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style, so something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in the well.